What is up today, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install an Apple CarPlay head unit inside of your FRS, BRZ, or GT86. So stay tuned. I hope the tutorial helps, and here we go.
Alright, so what you're going to need today is obviously the head unit. You're going to need wire cutters. You're going to need the dash kit, the wiring harness. You're going to need wire nuts to wrap them together, trim remover. You're going to need 10mm bolt wrench, and you're going to need a microfiber towel rag. So what you're going to want to do here is unwrap the wiring harness, and then this is me separating the reverse light. What you want to do essentially is match the colors to color, so like black to black, white to white, blue to blue, orange to orange. You get it. There are also some with like white with a black stripe, like purple, stuff like that. You just want to literally just match them up and tie, or cover it with a wiring nut so that it's not really like ghetto rigged or anything. But yeah, so this is me doing that process. Really shouldn't take you that long, maybe like 30 minutes at the most, to be honest. If you like, I didn't really care to organize it. Just me being a little lazy. But yeah, so what we have here is me stripping the wires. This is why you need a wire cutter, just so you can strip the wires easier. You could also use scissors to like cut it a little bit, not all the way obviously, but cut a little bit in and then like pull. But yeah, obviously having a wire cutter or a wire stripper makes this process a lot easier, in my opinion. But yeah, it's just the same thing. You just match colors to colors, make sure you don't forget anything. It's really important that you have them all matched up and ready to go. So this is what your wiring harness should look like towards the end, with all the colors matched up. Yeah, so here we go. We're about to bring it into the interior, and this is what it should be. Alright, so here we have me removing the dash. I actually did not need the trim remover, funny enough, but you do need the 10mm bolt socket. You're just gonna twist off the head unit there. But yeah, you get the point. It's a little tedious because it's so deep in there. Make sure you don't drop any of the bolts. It's gonna be a nightmare to get those out, to be honest. But yeah, so here I am finally taking out the head unit. Make sure, it's really important you don't drop any of the bolts. Be really careful. This is where the microfiber comes in. You make sure you want to put it under so you don't scratch or trim. And then here I have the USB. I run it through the inside of the cabin, inside of the dash, to actually bring it out to the cabin. My bad. But yeah, this is just the process. You want to put like your hand at the bottom of the other side and just try to feed it through. Here I am bolting the new, or you take the old mounting disc thing and put it onto the new one. Simple enough. Use the same nuts or whatever. I don't know what they're called, to be honest. But yeah, here's me opening up the dash kit. What you want to do is, I had a video on this already, but you want to chop part of it off, because for some reason the Toyota dash kit does not really fit that well. So after you chop it off, it should fit just fine. I've never had issues with it falling off or anything like that. But yeah, this is me using some kitchen scissors to like just chop the whole thing. And yeah, so this is me, or how it should look after it's mounted. You kind of want to use the bottom one that fits right under the farther out portion of the disc mount. And this is literally me just twisting it on. Should stay. And you want to repeat for the other side on the same process. And we're going to move on to the next part where you plug everything in. So this is the simple part. You just literally plug and play, USB to USB. Mic is in the smallest hole. You plug the black into the into the head unit, and then you know, plug everything in. Whatever fits, to be honest. There's no specific thing. Like there's no white plugs that like plug into the same thing, you know. You're not gonna mess anything up. It's really simple. I only needed to plug in 2 of them. After that, I just mounted everything. But yeah. Alright, so I actually one of the purple wires got loose, or I had forgotten to twist it. But yeah, this is just showing out just a better view on how you should do it. You know, purple to purple, like black to black purple. And yeah, so I couldn't record the rest because my phone got too hot. But honestly, to put it back in, it's the same process as you took it out, just the reverse way, you know? Alright, so here is the Apple CarPlay head unit inside of my FRS. It looks really good inside of the interior. So these are the functions. Basically you have phone here. I'm not gonna click that, it's personal stuff. But here's Spotify, and here's maps. You could also go into here and swipe. It's pretty clean. Might be a little slow because I'm recording on my phone. But yeah, you have Telegram, WhatsApp. They even have Zoom now, apparently. That was new. And then here are the regular functions of the head unit. You can equalize. I do natural because I don't want to blow out my speakers, but yeah, just keep it natural. You know, you can pause, play, skip, and then yeah, this is just a switch back and forth. Pretty convenient in my opinion. Here's the click Siri and volume rockers. You know, you can unmute your navigation. What else? Here's the home for it. Honestly, like this head unit, it's really worth the money in my opinion. I believe it was on sale when I bought it on Amazon. It's like the NEX. I'm gonna have to leave the link in the description. But yeah, in my opinion, beautiful, worth the money, a lot better than my old head unit. I really wanted that Apple CarPlay feature just so I didn't really have to prop up my phone up here anymore. I could just literally go on maps, you know. But yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching today. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, anything to help me out. You know, your feedback matters to me. I'm glad I could help anyone that was watching this video. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.